Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have something I am so excited to talk to you guys about, and it is the Ulike Reglow mask. Big shout out to Ulike for partnering with me to share with you guys about the Reglow LED mask. Okay, so y'all know by now I'm a skincare junkie. I love trying new products. I love also doing everything at home. Okay, don't get me wrong. I love a good salon experience, but it is so pricey and it's so hard to stay consistent with things like that because it is pricey, and just time nowadays, especially. I don't get as much self-care time as I used to before having a child. I'm sure a lot of you can relate, whether it's a busy schedule, whatever it is. So those beauty treatments that you're getting in a salon need to happen often in order to see optimal results. So I love that Ulike has created a mask, the Reglow, to use right at home, which makes it so easy, so convenient, and actually makes it achievable to like stick with it to see the results. So if you've not heard, this is an LED light mask. I've generously provided a coupon code for you guys, so if you are curious to check out Red Light Therapy, I really highly encourage you to get this one. I know that red light therapy can be kind of a splurge, but at the end of the day, you are getting 4-in-1, and this is the most powerful in the market with its reflective 360, and I love just the ease and comfort it is to wear a mask like this over any of the other ones on the market. Besides it being more efficient and more effective, it's also 10,000 times more comfortable, which for me is why I actually love and use it every single night and have seen the benefits already. So it has a bunch of different LED lights in there. I'm gonna talk about what different settings they have, what it targets, what I specifically use it, but specifically why I love this over any of the other ones. I've tried a different one, okay? We've seen them everywhere. We've seen those rubber ones that are flat and then you bend them over your face. I cannot stand them, okay? So one of the big things with those ones that are just rubber and like kind of just, you like tape them to your face, whatever, they cause me so much like contact redness and whatnots because they would sit smushed against your face. The nose was like these weird flaps that kind of just smushed down on my face and would cause me just kind of like uneven distribution of the light. Also would cause me red spots from it, from the pressure and also the lights directly on the skin. So that is something when I saw this, when they reached out to me, because I was like, well, I already have one, do I need another one? But this, I liked the design of this way better. And if you're spending a lot of money on these masks, which they are, they're pricier, they're an investment, they're something that you will have forever, and they really enhance whatever skincare you are currently doing. LED light masks are all the rage, but here's why the Ulike one is so different than the other ones on the market. This just has a cushiony back here. First of all, if something is not comfortable, I'm not using it. So you just slip it over your head. The eyes are kind of like hollowed out, and you can tell I can put my hand in between the mask. There is at least a 1 centimeter gap all around the mask to your face, so nothing is being smushed on there. Also love that this has this squishy little eye thing. I hated the other ones where I felt like they were just red right in your eyes. Also, I hated the little cups around there because they were so tight, they would cause rings around my eyes. Whereas this is nice and cushiony. It probably has makeup on it now. I don't wear it with makeup, I was just demonstrating, but this is nice and cushy and does not smush down on my face or like sit weird on my face at all. I love that feature of this compared to any of the other masks on the market, which the design is the reason why I use it. This does come with a cable and a cord. This part will last me around 6 uses, and then I just plug it in. It comes with a very standard, like I think it's a USB-C. I think. I'm not good with the charger names. You just charge it and then you plug it into your device. I love that this is a long enough cord that I can stick it in my pocket and wear it around. Typically I'm doing this at night, to be honest with you. I just like it doing it at night. I wash my face and then I go ahead and select which mode I need based off my skin concerns. So let's talk about all the modes. This is a 4-in-1 mask. It has 4 different settings. It has glow, firm, rejuvenate, and clear. So some of the broad benefits of these is it's going to help target fine lines and wrinkles, acne. It's going to promote smoother and more glowing skin. So to start up this device, all you do is press and hold and it will turn on. So this has 4 types of light. We have red light, which stimulates collagen. We have yellow light, which calms inflammation. Blue light, which fights acne. And infrared light, which smooths roughness and boosts skin's firmness overall. And this has 4 times the power and light coverage for more visible results within just 2 weeks, and it's about 8 minutes a day is all that it takes. Like I said, I put it on while I'm scrolling at night, and I can still see my phone because I'm not blinded by red light. So I go ahead and kind of assess what my skin is needing that day, which is why I love this so much. It's not just targeted at one thing. So if my skin is not having a lot of breakouts, which typically I have been breaking out a bit more recently because I'm on a tretinoin journey as well. Like I said, I'm skincare obsessed. So I've been using the Acne Clear setting for this. It also has a glow, which I love a glow for just like overall, like if I'm wanting to do this before like an event or something like that, I will use this in the morning on the glow setting. So that targets uneven, dull skin tones with texture. That uses a combination of red, infrared, and yellow light. Then we have the Firm. If I have nothing else to like really worry about and I just want my skin to feel snatched, that addresses skin sagging and aging, obviously, and that uses red light and infrared light. Then we have the Rejuvenate. This is key for if you've destroyed your skin barrier. Let's say you went a little too heavy with the tretinoin and chemical exfoliators. This is going to help aids in damaged skin barrier and also reduces any redness that you may have. So this uses yellow and infrared lights during the Rejuvenate cycle. And then you've got Clear, which is your girl's best friend recently, okay? This tackles oily skin, acne, and uneven texture. This employs blue and red lights. So all of those options are within these little light. So personally, I will go ahead, like I said, I will do an oil cleanser and then I will use my regular cleanser. And then before I go in with any of my serums, targeting whatever, I will go ahead and use this. I like to just do it on my bed. I like to honestly do tummy time. I'm trying to strengthen my back muscles. So that's like habit stacking, if you will. If you're somebody else who has a different habit, you can use that as a habit stacking. You at least know for those 8 minutes that you're doing this mask, you're doing another habit, which I love. And it makes it easy because it's all, you don't have to be plugged into a wall. So then I just assess what my skin needs. Like I said, most of the time I'm using the Clear setting because I have been dealing with just purging from tretinoin. And then I'll use the Firm. I'll use them all, I'm not gonna lie, I love them, okay? And then I go in with all of my serums and my moisturizers and creams, and then that's it. Another thing that also sets Ulike apart from any of the other ones on the market is they have 12 years of advanced light technology in this guy, so you're really getting a reputable brand in terms of these LED masks. I feel like you can find really affordable ones, and this is not something to skip out on, and I feel like the Ulike Reglow is like they've invested the technology to make sure that it is the best, and I love that it offers so many different things. So you are making that one-time investment for all different types of skin concerns that you may have. So like I said, these have 272 different lights with the 4 different lights in each one of these. Also has this mirror in it. So this reflects the light, helps boost the iridescence by 77.4%. So you're getting, like I said, a lot more of an effective light treatment. They also did provide me with a coupon code, so I will go ahead and put that on the screen, which will save you extra money at checkout. It'll also be all of the details in the description box down below for you guys to check it out yourself. But yeah, big shout out to Ulike for partnering with me on today's video. I am so excited to have this like in my routine every night for the last like month, 2 months now. And I feel like I am starting to see really good results, and I will continue to use it for future. I want to use it for firm and glow once my acne spots are once my acne is at bay, I can start using it for more of that firm and that just all over glow that every girl is wanting with their skincare. So again, big shout out to Ulike for partnering with me on today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.